Magmula sa sunog na nangyari sa isang NBA arena hanggang sa buwis buhay na pagtira ng mascot sa tuktok ng 30 feet na hagdan, ay narito ang mga 1 in a million moments sa kasaysayan ng NBA.
Folks, we're experiencing an earthquake right now.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Simulan nga natin yan sa buzzer beater ni Brandon Ingram sa half court habang nakatalikod at hindi nakatingin sa ring.
Get it back and at the buzzer. Oh! Unbelievable! Oh my God! Just the way they drew it up.
Pag tinamaan ka nga naman ng swerte, Ingram, pero kabaliktaran naman yan sa nangyaring ito ni Draymond Green.
Well, coming in, Dallas had made coming into Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Man, what a night this is. This is so unique. Wow. You could shoot that a thousand times. More than 1,000 and that would never happen.
Kahit ako si Draymond, matatawa na lang din sa nangyari, kagaya na nga lang din sa kasunod nating moment.
I am honored to present MVP trophy to Andre Drummond.
ESPN not top 10.
Kawawa naman si Andre Drummond, tinago na lang ang sakit, kagaya na lamang sa nangyari kay Steven Adams.
They've taken the paint away from the Grizzlies. The Grizzlies are going to find a way to still manufacture.
Steven Adams got it right off his head. Just smiles. How does that not knock you out? The ball has a dent in it.
Kakaiba talaga ang tibay nitong si Steven Adams, kasing tibay ng ginawang ito ni Marcin Gortat matapos butatain ng kalaban ay namigay pa ng 2 points.
Tapped up and it's just one of those nights, Jack. Okay, how about that one? Just like they drew it up.
Ang bait mo naman, Gortat, bihira ka lang makakita ng gumagawa ng ganyan. Kagaya na lamang sa pasa ni Tyler Hero.
Beats all-time leading low. Oh, that was over the head of him. Oh, it went in! Tyler Hero! Watch how hard he throws this. Unbelievable that it rattled in and went in. Oh, that was so clearly a pass.
Medyo swerte ka sa part na yan, Tyler. Hindi gaya ng fan na ito dahil meron na sana siyang tsansa na tumira ng 3 points para sa $1 million. Pero ganito ang nangyari.
Now, Mike has one shot from the three-point line worth $1 million. For the past 2 weeks, he has been practicing, but it is time right now for him to see if he can make that shot. And if he does, he will be given $1 million. Mike Hoban, it is time. Take your best shot.
Ata ang dapat itawag sa kanya. Kagaya na lamang nang mag-drive siya papunta sa basket nang mangyari ito. Grabe, paano mo nagawa yan, Westbrook? Kagaya na lamang ng tirang ito ni Kyle Kuzma.
Lakers Kuzma. Oh, that goes in!
That's gonna count.
It does count! How lucky can you be, but take it!
Wow, sobrang bihira lang talaga mangyari yan. Kagaya na lamang ng dunk na ito ni DeAndre Jordan.
It was a smaller league in the 60s. Wedgie! Scored a wedgie on an attempted dunk, which might be an NBA first. Like to see him try to do that again.
May araw talaga sigurong ayaw pumasok ng tira. Unless kung ikaw si Kyle Lowry.
The only thing I ever see you put down is water or green tea. Oh! Throw it up and it's good! From Ottawa! Yeah!
Literal na tsamba talaga ang tirang yun ah. Kagaya na lamang sa tirang ito ni Steven Adams.
Give him Steven Adams. And wow! The one-hander from half court. Wow!
Steven Adams just beyond the timeline.
And that's
So smooth and even a shimmy.
Yan lang naman ang unang 3-pointer niya sa kanyang karera. At kung sa tingin mo na bihira lang ang ganyang tira, ay panoorin mo na lang to.
with the momentum. He's tied up by Simmons. Does that count?
Feeling ko, si Westbrook na talaga ang pinakaswerteng player sa NBA. Pero si LeBron, tila medyo minalas dahil akala niyang sure na ang kanyang step back 3 hanggang sa nangyari ito.
featuring Overtime's popular personalities calling the action as James hits the floor and the ball gets stuck between the rim and the backboard.
Yeah, you couldn't do that again if you paid him.
Literal na nag-stack up ang bola. At ganun din kay Josh Richardson.
Donuts are not good on the line.
Top of the key jumper, and around and around and around, still going and finally falling. Thank you, Sir Isaac Newton.
I don't know what you call that, follow. Actually touched every part of the rim a couple of times.
Parang nag-flush lang ng toilet. Pero at least nakita nating pumasok ang bola. Dahil lang si Stephen Curry na ang tumira, ay biglang nangyari ito.
Scattered situations. He shot the lights out. The Pelicans trying to turn. That's a different way to defend Curry right there. Is turn the power off when the Warriors have the ball.
Pumasok kaya yun? Bakit kasi pinatay ang ilaw? Speaking of patay, akala yata ni Jason Tatum ay mamamatay na siya sa isang press conference dahil sa nangyaring ito.
Work in the last couple of years of learning new ways to drop. Oh, fine. Yo, watch out.
Oh, aminin mo, ganyan din ang magiging reaksyon mo kapag sa'yo nangyari yan. Pero hindi lang yan ang muntikang masira dahil ang isang NBA arena ay halos masunog.
All right, here's where we started our problem. A fire opened in a light in the scoring mechanism here that sits above Key Arena, and they're removing the spotlight. There it is. There's the culprit.
Nag-halftime show tuloy ang mga bumbero. Pero kung halftime show ang usapan, ay wala nang tatalo sa mascot na ito dahil gumawa siya ng trick shot mula sa tuktok ng 30 feet na hagdan. Pero para sa ating top moment, ay bisitahin natin ang moment na talagang may kirot para sa NBA fans. Dahil sa pagkawala ni Kobe Bryant, nagbigay ng tributes ang mga teams para sa kanya. Ang paghawak sa bola sa loob ng 24 seconds. Pero sa isang laro, sa laban ng Spurs at Raptors, pinarangalan ng dalawang teams si Kobe. Ngunit may kakaibang nangyari dahil sa pagtira ni Kyle Lowry ay nangyari ito.
14 on the season, winning their 6th in a row. Here is Lowry from the corner with a jumper.
Unbelievable.
Wow. Tell me that isn't significant.
No,
It's just,
it's unreal.
it's like the ball paying tribute.
Yeah, right.
It's like, no, I'm not ready to get played yet.
That's right.
You know, Kobe's like, wait a minute, my possession.
Maaaring proud lang si Kobe sa inyo dahil sa tribute na ginawa nyo at gusto niya lang atang hawakan ang bola for the one last time.